Welcome to another video. Next, we're going to take a look at prospecting and goals, which can be found under this prospects heading and then overview. Before we get started, I do want to mention that I won't be showing the actual prospecting and goals screens during this video. These screens contain private customer information, including names, emails, phone numbers, quote activity, and other sensitive data that we don't want to display publicly. So instead, I'll walk you through where each feature is located and explain how it works so that you can easily follow along in your own account. This section is completely optional. It's a great tool, though, if you want to track your agency's performance, monitor closing ratios, track lead sources, and measure production across your team. So we'll start with tracking quotes. Under that prospects and then overview section, every quote created in Quotamation will automatically appear under the quoting section. So think of this as your active sales pipeline. It gives you a centralized place to track prospects that are currently being worked and helps your agency stay organized throughout the sales process. Under that same section, marking a prospect as one. So when a prospect becomes a customer, you can move that prospect from the quoting column to the one column. Once you do that, Quotamation automatically updates your tracking and your reporting metrics. This helps keep your pipeline accurate and gives you better visibility into your agency's overall production. And then with viewing closing ratios, this will also be under that overview section. Quotamation will automatically calculate your closing ratios based on the quotes you've written and the customers you've won. So this allows you to see how effectively your agency is converting quotes into policies and can help identify trends and performance over time. And then agent performance and date filtering, also under that same overview section, you are able to break down performance by individual agent. So you can view production metrics by day, month, year, or other reporting periods to better understand how each team member is performing. So this makes it easy to track progress and identify opportunities for coaching or improvement. And then moving along to lead source tracking. This is another powerful feature that we have in Quotamation. So when viewing a prospect, you can associate that prospect with a specific lead source. So for example, if the lead came from a mortgage company, realtor, referral partner, any other source, you can add that information directly under the prospect. You can even include contact information for that lead source, such as email address and phone number. And then once lead sources have been added, Quotamation automatically tracks their performance. So this will be a different section. Instead of overview, under prospects and then the lead sources, you'll be able to see all of your lead sources in one place. Not only can you see how many leads a source has generated, but you can also track your closing ratio for each source. So this will help you identify which referral partners and marketing channels are delivering the highest quality business. And then we'll move on to the daily view dashboard. So that will be this right here under this goals heading, daily view. So this is one feature that a lot of agencies do find useful. It allows your entire agency to see live updates throughout the day. So team members can quickly see where everyone stands in terms of quotes, sales activity, and production without needing to run a ton of reports. It's a great way to create visibility across the team and keep everyone focused on daily goals. And the daily view also tracks activity, allowing managers and team members to monitor progress and see what actions are taking place throughout the day in real time. So, just to recap a little bit, under this first section, we went over prospects and then overview. Here, you're able to track quotes in your pipeline. You're able to move prospects from quoting to one or lost or whatever status. You're able to monitor closing ratios. You're able to view agent performance and also track daily activity across your agency. And then under the daily view, you're able to use this for live production updates. And then you're able to use lead sources tab under prospects to track lead sources and measure lead source conversion rates. That is everything you need to know about prospecting and goals in Quotamation. If you have any questions, you can always email us at support@quotamation.com.